What's up mga hitsuraan, mga choy ug chay? Nalabakaron sa Hitsuraang Kulisaw. Today's vlog is all about atong laag na mo sa Miurakaigan sa Kanagawa, Japan, sa cherry blossoms. I know all you guys love cherry blossoms, the sakura. Nindot kayo ang sakura, guys. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Montage lang ni siya, wala ko nag-vlogan ni since wala pa kay vlogging gear last time. So cellphone lang akong gamit for taking videos and pictures. So ako lang ni siyang i-re-upload para sa ako ang new YouTube channel, ang Hitsuraang Kulisaw. So tara, ubanin ko ninyo guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Richie, he's allergic. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. Sa akin pa rin ang huling halakhak.
So that's it for me guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys will continue to like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell icon below. Click that too, and I hope you guys have a great day. This is Hitsuraang Kulisaw. Peace out.